Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create a before after video on CapCut. So the way to create it, first you need to open your CapCut like this and then import the video that you want to add this before and after effect or animation. So the next step, after you import your video like this, you need to duplicate it like this by swiping your toolbar onto the left, and the next step you just need to set it as the overlaid clip, kind of like this. Okay, now after that click the main clip or the overlaid clip like this, go to the adjustment button or maybe go to effect to make a different perspective or preview from the video. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to make this overlaid video have a black and white color, kinda like this. Just drop the saturation and go to HSL, and now go to each color and drop all of the saturation from each color, just like this. Do that until the end of the color. Okay, now go back again, hit the check button when you're done. Actually, now this is already done. You just need to add a masking tools onto it and add a keyframe onto the exact duration and move your masking tools. And the next step, I'm going to add a text onto this clip. So for example, let me type before like this. And for the font, I'm using a font that's called, where is it? I'm losing it. This one, regional. And you just need to put it on the exact position that you want, but for me I would like to put it on the side, kind of like this. And now the important part is to add a keyframe onto the side and on the end of the clip from the text. So I think I'm going to cut it first onto this position, and I'm going to add a keyframe on the last second and drag the text all the way down. Make sure that you hide it. Okay, now the next step, you just need to duplicate this first text and drag it onto this position. Now increase the length of the duration from the second text. Double tap on the clip to change the text like this after. Okay, hit the check button, check it again, and I'm going to put it on this side, and I'm trying to hide it first. Okay, now the next step, you just need to delete the rest of the keyframe that's from the first text. And now the next part, you just need to add the keyframe onto the exact duration and move your text all the way down to make it appear kind of like this. Now the next step, click this overlay, go to the overlaid clip, swipe left your toolbar until you found masking button. Use this horizontal mask, and then go to the exact duration that you want to add a keyframe. So for me, I'm going to put it on the side. Add the keyframe first, like this. Okay. Now, when the text is disappear, when the text is disappear, you need to add a next keyframe onto it, kind of like this. Okay. Remember to doing it. Okay, so let the text disappear first, and like this. Wait for a moment, let me delete this keyframe. Okay, let's go back again. So swipe left your clip until the text is disappear, kind of like this. And now, when you finish, you just need to add another keyframe on the last second, kind of like this, and hit the check button. Okay, go back to your text clip like this. Go to the after text and positioning the text onto the exact duration where the masking tools is moving. So let's erase this keyframe and then go to this position. Wait for a moment. Okay, I'm going to put it on the side, and I'm going to cut the before text or before clip. And I'm going to put it here and here and drop it. Okay, now the next step, I'm going to add a keyframe on this side and try to hide the text of after and drag drag it again, put it on this side, and now it's done. This is the final result of it. This is before and this is after. You can add a sound effect onto it to make it much more cool and interactive. And that's the way to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.